Behind the power of a modern fighter jet lies a long and highly complex process. Within the fighter jet engine assembly line, a fighter jet engine is more than just a propulsion system. It is the heart of the aircraft, determining its speed, agility, cruising range, and even air combat capability. Each component is designed with high-precision technology. Before the assembly process begins, engineers first design the jet engine using advanced computers, artificial intelligence AI-based design technology, aerodynamic simulations, and 3D modeling are used to ensure every engine part functions perfectly. Once the design is finalized, the factory begins producing various engine components using specialized materials. Modern fighter jet engines use high-strength titanium, nickel superalloys, and carbon fiber composites. The material forming process is carried out using automated CNC machines and high-precision laser technology. The compressor assembly line is operated in a sterile room under automated computer supervision. Technicians assemble the turbine blades with meticulous care, as their shape and angles must be precisely aligned. The compressor blades are designed to be extremely light yet strong to allow them to rotate at incredibly high speeds. Technicians assemble the turbines using high-precision automated tools. Each heat shield layer is meticulously inspected using digital scanners. The turbine is one of the most complex components in a fighter jet engine. Turbine blades are manufactured using single crystal casting techniques to withstand extreme temperatures without cracking. The engine is housed in a special test chamber designed to withstand explosions and extreme noise. When the engine is fully revved, it produces a thunderous sound and is capable of generating enormous thrust. Technicians monitor all data through sophisticated computers to ensure the engine operates flawlessly. After passing all tests, the engine is moved to the aircraft integration line. At this stage, the engine is installed into the fighter jet's body using automated hydraulic tools. The installation must be extremely precise to ensure optimal engine performance at high speeds. Modern fighter jet engines rely not only on mechanics, but also on intelligent electronic systems. On the assembly line, technicians install various digital sensors and engine control computers. These systems function to regulate fuel supply, monitor engine temperature, control air pressure, automatically regulate thrust, and detect damage early. The fighter jet engine industry has extremely high-quality standards. Every engine part must pass thousands of inspections before being declared fit for use. X-ray scanning technology and ultrasonic sensors are used to detect tiny cracks, invisible to the human eye. If even the slightest defect is found, the component is immediately replaced. This process is crucial because pilot safety depends on engine reliability. The global defense industry is continuously developing new generations of jet engines that are more fuel efficient, quieter, and yet more powerful. Some of the future technologies being developed include artificially intelligent engines, ultralight nanomaterials, revolutionary cooling systems, hybrid combat engines, and next-generation thrust vectoring technology. These technological developments will make future fighter jets faster, more agile, and less detectable by radar. The fighter jet engine assembly line is one of the most complex and sophisticated manufacturing processes in the world. Thousands of technicians, engineers, automated robots, and modern computer technology work together to create incredibly powerful engines. Every bolt, turbine, and sensor is precisely assembled to produce an engine capable of propelling a fighter jet through the sky at supersonic speeds. Behind the powerful roar of a fighter jet engine lies the hard work and extraordinary technology that symbolize the progress of the modern aerospace industry. The development of Turkey's defense industry has once again attracted international attention after the country successfully produced a high-tech fighter jet engine developed through modern engineering capabilities. In recent years, Turkey has been known to continuously accelerate the development of its national defense sector. Fighter jet engines are one of the most complex technologies in aviation. Not all countries are capable of designing and producing their own engines, as they require high-level engineering capabilities, specialized materials, and advanced testing facilities. Therefore, Turkey's success has attracted the attention of many international defense observers. Turkey has long had the ambition to strengthen its national defense industry, to eliminate dependence on foreign technology. The Turkish government continues to invest heavily in supporting local aerospace companies in developing various strategic projects. This initiative is based on the fact that fighter jet engines are the most vital component of a military aviation system. Without high-performance engines, a modern fighter jet would not be able to reach supersonic speeds, perform extreme maneuvers, or carry a heavy weapon load. In this latest project, Turkish engineers worked using modern digital design technology and computer simulations to produce a highly capable yet efficient engine. The design system was detailed, from the combustion chamber, air ducts, turbine, and internal cooling system. Modern fighter jet engines must be able to generate enormous thrust while maintaining fuel efficiency. To achieve this, Turkey utilizes advanced manufacturing technology and high-quality materials. The turbine section is made from a special metal alloy that can withstand extreme temperatures. When an aircraft flies at high speeds, temperatures inside the engine can reach thousands of degrees Celsius. Therefore, materials that can withstand severe operating conditions without damage are required. Furthermore, modern aerodynamic technology is applied to improve airflow within the engine. This system allows for more stable combustion, resulting in greater thrust. Turkey has also developed a modern digital control system, capable of monitoring engine performance in real time. This technology helps pilots and technicians monitor engine conditions while the aircraft is in operation. Global attention is now focused on Turkey's success in developing a fighter jet engine, which is said to have high performance, modern efficiency, and operational capabilities to support next-generation fighter jets. This success is considered a major step in Turkey's journey toward military technological independence.